What's up, everybody? Happy Sunday, October the 2nd. It is officially the fourth quarter, folks. Get ready. It's the last quarter of trading for 2022. Time's going by fast. Here, tuning in for the weekly watch list with Reed and I. Let me go jump in. So, what we got here is the Euro odd pair. Last week, I am bullish bias on this particular pair. I saw a breakout here, and there was strong momentum on the 29th and the 30th of September. These two nice big bars here, so we could zoom into an hour chart. What I like was, just that long, nice breakout, and price pulled back a little bit when it closed up, but it wasn't strong enough where it was saying that this trend was shifting. It was more so pulling back, and then boom, trend continued. So currently long bias or in this trade as well, holding a few positions out. There is a little bit pullback right now, but we'll see how this candle closes out, and I'm going to be anticipating to see the momentum continue to rise. If not, we'll scroll back to a bigger time frame like the 4 hour. See how it's playing out right now. We are back at the close of Friday close. So there's some gains there. So and another pair I'm looking at or currently in is a Euro USD pair. Let's see. So this would be like some sort of a swing trade for me, swing long. So of course it's been on a bearish run. We hit a low 9.5 showing on my, or 0.95 showing on my charts. But I'm anticipating it to just play a short-term swing trade going long after this nice momentum here, pulling back. We're probably going to trade to a particular level, 0.99, even 1.0, and then get out of trade. This one I'm going to be moving my stops pretty tight on the shorter term time frame. Let's look at the S&P. Oh wait, one more Forex. USD yen. I'm long bias on this guy. Zoom out to daily. So we hit a high of 145.89. Price pulled back back to 140. Big like a big daily move, but I think that was during not lots of news announcements or whatever. The 21st, I remember that. So knocked out a lot of positions. Then price just continued to show what direction it wants to go. So you can see it's been making higher lows since. A little bit of consolidation here, but nice pop within the last hour of a bullish candle. So let's go back to the S&P. Bearish big time. Broke the previous low of 37.10. The contract did change over on the 9th of September. I think on the 16th it expired. Correct. Yeah. So lots of rollovers, and so bearish momentum. It's continuing on. The level I'm looking at for some sort of support would probably be 3,500 in that area. So let's see how that level plays out. Of course, bearish until we're not. We had a high of 48.32. We are down 13, almost 1,300 points from the highs at the beginning of what year is this? At the beginning of this year. So yeah, bearish what do you call it, strength right now. Let's look at gold. Just looking at this one, it's been on a bearish run as well, but with the last week it had a nice bullish pullback. We couldn't close significantly higher, so 1685 is a level I'm watching, and then 1620 is another level. Bitcoin, let's look at that. Sideways, consolidating. It's been trading in this range of 19,000 to 24,000 cents. Let's see. June. So, I mean, this is like a characteristic we've been seeing with Bitcoin, have its crazy runs and it'll just consolidate for a period of time and then momentum builds up. So, if you're a technical trader or just looking at price action, there's definitely lots of opportunities there. So, bring it on to you, Reed. You muted.
Hello, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just needed to plug in again, but here we go. So I just have Euro USD on watch, and I like it as a reversal play to go long. We are in an overall bearish trend here.
Yeah, share your
But
chart.
I like what was that?
Share your
Oh my
screen, bro.
goodness. All right, here we go. So I'm looking at Euro USD. I like it's a reversal play. We're overall a bearish descending channel here. And I do like how it's reversing, could go up a little higher for a long play here. So I do like that. And similar USD pair correlated is the pound USD. When I have two pairs like this, I'll go for the most cleanest looking one. So I like pound USD and USD at the same time, but whichever one breaks out cleaner with a cleaner pattern as far as descending or uh, correcting or ascending channel. That's what I'll be looking for. And as far as that's only my two on watches, Euro USD and Pound USD. And it's too choppy for me for anything else. But I do want to point out, Glenn pointed out the S&P 500 how bearish we're looking, and I wanted to point out Facebook. So Facebook, we'll look at the daily here. Facebook has reached its lows of the pandemic. So in 2020, March 2020, that was a huge bear crash, right? As far as the stock market goes. So it's interesting times right now. It's in a key area overall. If I just copy this real quick, clone it, and share, put this line just at the most recent low of 2018 back here, December 2018. We're entering this range here where price could just be touch this area and continue on upward or go upward or just break out and fall completely. So I mean, this is just one of the big tech companies that I brought up because a lot of the weight of the S&P 500 are these tech companies like Apple. Not the most recent low of 2020, but it's still pretty low, at least a quarter ago. So pretty interesting to look at what's going on in the market and just be wary, sit on cash right now if the market's too fearful for you, or just make sure you're on the right side using your trading plan.
Love it, love it. Let's look at the upcoming events. So on the economic calendar, something to look forward to would be Friday on the 7th. Oh, is that this coming week? Yeah.
Yep.
It's coming Friday. We're gonna have not NFP, non-farm payroll. So that's gonna be a bigger announcement. ADP employment change on Wednesday. So we're gonna see some volatility there, but other than that, not too much action. Powell ain't speaking, or Treasury or the Fed ain't hiking up rates again. Thanks for watching, guys. This is our weekly watch list. Have trade safe.